Hey, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm and Siren Guy, and I'm gonna be showing you how would I activate a pull station when I'm doing fire alarm inspecting. Some just pull it straight down, but this is how I honestly will do it. I'll take the Allen wrench. And I'll turn it. We're starting out with the Pyrotronics. I will turn it until it opens. And the button will set it off. You don't really have to press it. It just goes off automatically as soon as you opened it. And I'm gonna be closing and walking up the pull station. Okay, this is how I would activate a Pyrotronics pull station when I'm doing fire alarm inspecting. I do plan to become a fire alarm inspector. You should look forward to these videos, like kind of the videos that Zach Reflect does. But he doesn't do them anymore. So, let's move on to the next pull station. Okay, next pull station should be easy. We got the Simplex T-Bar. How I would operate it? You're gonna take your Simplex key. You guys can pull it, but honestly, I would just key operate it for an inspection. Alright? You just put the key, I'll just put the key in it and turn it. Simple as that. And the alarm should go off. And I just closed and walked the pull station. This is a simple pull station to pull and reset. Okay, next pull station. Okay, next is the Edwards 270 SPO. This one is more advanced, but at the same time it's kind of easy. Alright, I'm gonna take a flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna flip the toggle switch up and the alarms should go off, and as soon as they do, I would flip it back down and I will close it. You don't really have to tighten the screw back in. You just snap it shut and it will stay locked. Alright, next pull station. Okay, this one is an easy one. We got the Firelight BG12. Alright. As a fire alarm inspector, this is how I would activate it. I will stick an Allen wrench or a key, but in this case is an Allen wrench. You just open it up, and I would flip the switch down and the alarms will go off. As soon as they do, I flip it back up, even though you don't really have to. Alright, close it and lock it up. Yeah. This is a good pull station. Okay, last one. Okay, last one is the Firelight BG8. These are not common to find in buildings. I only seen them in a building once. Is at a Toys R Us, which they're out of business. Okay. I'll take my Firelight key, I will put it in, and I'll just open it up and wait for the alarms to go off. And as soon as they do, I just walk it back up. Okay. You guys can just pull them straight down. But honestly, I would key activate them. I know this sounds boring, but this is how I feel like it should be done. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.